Hey there, Southern Eats family! Imagine transforming simple ingredients into a bowl of creamy, zesty perfection that rivals your favorite Tex-Mex spot. Today, you're not just learning a recipe, you're unlocking a secret that will elevate your home cooking game forever. Welcome to Southern Eats, where we celebrate the bold flavors of the South. I'm your host, and in this video, we're revealing an insider secret recipe for easy restaurant-style guacamole. If you've ever wondered how to make guac that's fresh, flavorful, and foolproof, this is your moment. Let's dive in, because you deserve restaurant quality right in your kitchen. Hit that like button if you're ready to mash it up, and subscribe at Watch Southern Eats for more empowering Southern recipes. Before we get our hands dirty, let's honor where this iconic dip comes from. Guacamole isn't just a party staple, it's a timeless creation with roots that inspire us to connect with our food's heritage. Picture this. Back in the Aztec Empire of Central America during the 1500s, the Aztecs were the original masters of this mash. They called it a guacamole, blending the Nahuatl words for avocado, ahuacatl, and sauce, mole. Avocados were a beloved fruit in the region, and archaeological evidence shows avocado seeds dating as far back as 9,000 to 10,000 years ago in Mexico's Tehuacan Valley. The Aztecs domesticated avocados and created this simple yet genius dip by mashing them with local ingredients. It was more than food, it was a symbol of abundance and vitality. Fast forward through Spanish colonization, where the recipe spread, evolving into the Tex-Mex favorite we know today. Knowing this history isn't just trivia, it's motivation. It reminds us that great things start simple, just like you'll do today. You're carrying on a tradition that survived centuries. How empowering is that? Now, let's bring that ancient energy into your modern kitchen. All right, champions of the kitchen. We've got the secret recipe straight from an inside source at a classic Tex-Mex restaurant. This isn't your average guac. It's easy, authentic, and packed with flavor that'll have your taste buds dancing. The beauty? It takes just minutes to prep, but tastes like hours of effort. You can do this. No fancy tools needed, just your determination and these fresh ingredients. Here's what you'll need for a party, serving 6 to 8 people. 3 ripe avocados, the heart of the dish. Choose ones that yield slightly to pressure for that creamy texture. 2 medium tomatoes, diced, for juicy freshness. 1/2 red onion, finely chopped, adds that sharp bite. 1 jalapeno, minced. Keep the seeds in if you crave heat and adventure. Remove them for a milder ride. A generous handful of fresh cilantro, chopped, brings herbal brightness. Salt to taste, and don't be shy. This is key to unlocking the flavors. 1 teaspoon garlic powder for that savory dip without fresh garlic hassle. Juice from 1/2 lemon, or lime for extra zing. It keeps things bright. A light drizzle of olive oil, the secret touch for smoothness and shine. Pause the video, grab these from your fridge or store. You've got this. Pro tip, freshness matters, so pick vibrant produce to make your guac shine. Now let's make magic happen. Follow these steps and remember, cooking is about confidence. You've got the history, the ingredients, now own the process. Step 1, prep your add-ins, 1 to 2 minutes. Start by dicing your tomatoes. Remove the seeds if you want less moisture. Finely chop the red onion for even distribution. Mince that jalapeno. If you're feeling bold, leave those seeds in for a spicy kick that'll wake up any gathering. Chop the cilantro roughly. Stems are fine. They add flavor. Set everything aside in a bowl. This prep is your foundation. Do it right and the rest flows. Step 2. Avocado time, 1 minute. Cut your avocados in half lengthwise. Twist to separate and remove the pits with a spoon or gentle knife tap. Scoop the flesh into a large mixing bowl. Here's where you shine. Use a fork or potato masher to smash it to your desired consistency. Chunky for texture? Smooth for elegance? You decide. This is your creation. Step 3. Mix it up. 2 minutes. Add in your prepped tomatoes, onion, jalapeno, and cilantro. Sprinkle in the garlic powder and a good pinch of salt. Really, don't hold back. Salt enhances everything. Squeeze in that lemon juice for acidity and to fight browning. Finish with a drizzle of olive oil, just a teaspoon or so, to bind it all with a silky finish. Stir gently but thoroughly. Taste as you go. Need more salt? More heat? Adjust now. This is where the restaurant magic happens. That balance of fresh, spicy, and creamy. Step 4. Serve and savor. Who's ready to party? Transfer to a serving bowl, garnish with extra cilantro or a lemon wedge if you like. Pair it with tortilla chips, tacos, or even as a southern twist on toast. Boom! You've just made pro-level guac in under 10 minutes prep time. Throughout, remember, imperfection is part of the fun. If it's your first time, embrace it. Each batch gets better, building your kitchen confidence like a pro. To take your guac to the next level, here are some insider tips. First, ripeness is key. Too firm avocados make lumpy guac. Too soft, and it's mushy. Test by gently pressing the stem end. For spice lovers, experiment with serrano peppers instead of jalapeno. Want a southern flair? Add a dash of cumin or even diced mango for sweetness. And always use fresh herbs. Dried cilantro just won't cut it. But the real motivation? This recipe is versatile. Make it vegan, gluten-free. It's already there. Batch it up for meal prep or scale down for a solo snack. You're not just cooking. You're creating joy for yourself and others. No one likes brown guac, right? Here's how to preserve yours longer and keep that vibrant green. The top trick? After making, transfer to an airtight container. Smooth the top flat, then pour a thin layer of cool water over the surface, about 1/2 inch deep, ensuring it covers everything without mixing in. Seal with the lid or plastic wrap pressed directly on the water. Refrigerate for up to 3 days. When ready to eat, pour off the water, stir, and it's fresh as day one. Why? The water creates a barrier against oxygen, the enemy of avocados. Alternative, press plastic wrap directly onto the guac's surface to minimize air exposure, or add extra lemon juice on top. Store in the fridge and avoid room temp for too long. With these, your guac lasts 2 to 3 days instead of hours. More time to enjoy your victory. There you have it, Southern Eats Squad. Your ticket to easy restaurant-style guacamole with a secret Tex-Mex twist. From Aztec origins to your table, you've mastered it. Now go make it, share it, and tag us at Watch Southern Eats. What Southern recipe should we tackle next? Comment below. Like if this inspired you. Subscribe for more flavor-packed motivation and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. Keep eating Southern. And remember, in the kitchen, you're unstoppable. See you next time.